Yo, what's going on? It looks like I'm in Alaska, but I'm actually in Dallas. This is the backyard of my house. Let me take this off so that you can see better. Completely different than a few days ago when I was in Miami working and collaborating with amazing friends and artists. I actually did a couple of collaborations, tutorial videos, and a photo shoot for a magazine. And it was intense. It was an amazing week of full work. And yeah, I want to show you a little bit of what happened in Miami when I was there. So thanks to all of the people that worked with me during that week. And I'm looking forward to come back pretty soon. So let's see, let's check it out.